Welcome back to AudioTrends TV. Today we're here with Daniel, one of our installers in the shop, and he's going to run you through how to set up the brand new Sonos ARC. So without further ado,
let's get into it. So the first step I like to do is to power up the bar and plug the HDMI into the TV so we're ready when we're going to join it into our system. So the next step is grab your TV remote, go into the TV menu, and we're going to go through a few settings to set it up properly. Okay, so the next step is when you plugged your HDMI into the port on the TV, you make sure you plug it into the ARC connection. Once that's done, you can go into your TV menu, go into the settings, down to display and sound, audio output, and in here we want to make sure that our eARC mode is on auto or on, and if we go down a bit further, that in the option for Dolby Digital Plus output, that it's on the Dolby Digital Plus instead of the Dolby Digital. Once you've gone through these settings, we're all ready to set it up in the app. Now we're at the stage of downloading the app and getting the bar working. So you need to go into your app store and download the S2 Sonos app. We're going to set it up on an existing system. If you don't have an existing system, there will be a few extra steps with setting up an account and password, but today we're going to set up our ARC on our existing system. Okay, so we're setting up our ARC in our existing system, and all the way on the right in your settings, press that, and then under setup in your settings, your speakers that are ready to set up will come up automatically. Press the speaker that you want to set up and continue on with the prompts. Once the ARC is detected, it'll ask you to hold your mobile device over the Sonos ARC where the flashing light is. So the ARC is just pairing after the phone has been held up to it. Okay, next step is to select what zone you want to call it, or what room it is in. Family room. And the ARC has been added as family room. Now we'll go through the steps of getting the Sonos ARC connected to your TV. As we've done before, we connected the HDMI to the ARC connection on the TV. The app just verifies this and asks you to connect it if it hasn't been connected. And now the ARC is connected to the TV. All sound will come out of your soundbar. So to get the most out of your ARC soundbar, you can do further calibration with it with a program called TruePlay Tuning System, which is all built in the app. All you have to do is scroll across to the very right icon, which is the settings, select your room, and then scroll down to TruePlay. This will take you to the TruePlay setup, which will step you through step by step on how to use your phone and calibrate your soundbar properly. So after the TruePlay tuning, your Sonos ARC is all set up. There is a few minor things you can play around with in the system menu, which is the EQ and getting levels perfect for what you're listening to. You can also add a sub and surrounds at a later date. But as long as your ARC's set up, you're ready to listen.
perfect. Thank you so much, Daniel, for showing us how to set that up. Now, if you did enjoy this video, make sure you give it a like down below. And lastly, we'd like to thank you very much for watching AudioTrends TV. We'll see you again in the next one. Catch you later.